Creating a Facebook page is a great way to establish an online presence for your business, brand, or organization. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to create a Facebook page in 2023. Log into your Facebook account. Ensure that you have a personal Facebook account. If you don't have one, you can create a new account by visiting www.facebook.com and following the instructions provided. Access the Facebook page's creation page. Once you're logged in, click on the Create button located on the top right corner of the Facebook homepage. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Page from the options provided. Choose a page category. On the next screen, you'll be prompted to choose a category that best represents your page. Facebook offers a variety of categories such as business or brand, community or public figure, entertainment, and more. Select the category that aligns with the purpose of your page. Provide page information. Fill in the required information for your page. This includes the page name, which should accurately reflect your business, brand, or organization. Select a category that further specifies your page, and provide additional details as requested by Facebook. Add profile picture and cover photo. Upload a profile picture for your page. This can be your business logo, a brand image, or a representative photo that visually represents your page. Additionally, choose a compelling cover photo that reflects the essence of your page. Both the profile picture and cover photo contribute to the overall visual appeal of your page. Complete basic page setup. Follow the prompts provided by Facebook to complete the basic setup of your page. This may include providing additional information about your business, adding a website link, entering contact details, and setting up page visibility preferences. Customize your page. Once the basic setup is complete, you can customize your page further to make it visually appealing and informative. Explore the different customization options, such as adding a call to action button, creating page tabs, and arranging sections to highlight important information. Start posting and engaging. Congratulations! Your Facebook page is now live. Start posting engaging content, such as updates, photos, videos, articles, and other relevant information that will resonate with your target audience. Encourage your followers to engage with your posts by liking, commenting, and sharing. Promote your page. To increase the visibility of your page and attract more followers, consider promoting it through Facebook's advertising tools. You can run targeted ad campaigns, boost specific posts, or utilize other marketing strategies to reach a wider audience. Monitor and analyze performance. Regularly monitor the performance of your page using Facebook Insights. This analytics tool provides valuable data on audience engagement, reach, and demographics. Use these insights to refine your content strategy and optimize your page's performance. Remember, a well-maintained and engaging Facebook page can help you build a strong online presence, connect with your target audience, and achieve your business objectives. Stay consistent, interact with your followers, and adapt your strategy based on the feedback and insights you gather along the way.